To you, the birthday celebrant, Mrs. Beverly. Come birthday. Come birthday. Okay, balik-balik yun na ron. Okay, Beverly Jean Sapal Siricos. Okay? Oh, good. Sorry, hindi ko siya ngayon sa una. Anyways, okay. Before we will start our dinner, may I ask the handsome husband of the birthday celebrant. So just to let you know, ako ang nakaamin niya, nagkauyab din sila. It started with sa tulay ka ng 1 minute kiss. So dito isa ako ka ng bridge sa Dawes Fort. So ako sila ganyan. If you will kiss for 1 minute, ka mo, yun. So, they did that and after 20 years, dili po. Oh, may swerte kayo. Sa mga na, pag-birthday na ko, nilang lupad yun sila, kaya nalubog din ako yung kami. Without Glenn, if you want to welcome the guests for this tonight's celebration. Alright, so now, before we'll start our dinner, may I call on the friend of Beverly, our schoolmate in college, Mr. Noel. Prayer dong, dili mas ha. Gutom na dong.
Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, if you can stand, let's stand. If you're able to, that's okay. In the name of the Father.